Yes.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. 36th District Court is now in session. Thank you for your patience on today. We had a very long morning docket and I needed to take a break. Thank you so much. We got started at 8:30. We did not finish until after 1 o'clock. And so I needed to take my break, and so did my staff. So thank you for your patience. I am ready to get started. Before I do so, Mr. Barton, Attorney Barton, Attorney Griffin, are there any preliminary matters for my consideration?
Yes, Your Honor. We just want to let the court know that there is retained counsel. We just want to make you aware of it. That's all.
Okay, wonderful. We'll start with retained counsel. The client name.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Scott Smith, and I am here on behalf of Mr. Abraham Al-Riyashi. He is in court or in my office with me. There's his picture.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you. Let me place the case number on the record very quickly. I have case number SP 115-41251. And actually that's counts 1, 2, and 3. I also have case number SP 115-41261. Thank you, counsel, for stating your appearance. Let me have your client please state your name for the record.
Abraham Al-Riyashi.
Thank you, sir, and good afternoon to you.
Yeah.
All right, today is the date scheduled for trial. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, I have had some discussions with Mr. Rosenthal. I wouldn't mind, going into a chat room and just discussing this very briefly with him.
You all haven't discussed yet?
Oh, no, we have. This is the second pretrial, but I wanted to just touch bases with him.
All right, as soon as Mr. Rosenthal gets on, sir, we'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Rosenthal. Can you let Mr. Rosenthal know that he needs to get on at 2:17?
I believe he's going down to the courtroom, Your Honor.
Yes. All right, thank you. No, he just left the courtroom.
Oh.
Just left. All right, somebody let him know that he needs to zoom in and we'll get you to a breakout room. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. All right, let's keep going. What do we have up next, Mr. Barton and Mr. Griffin?
Yes.
Your Honor. Oh, go ahead, Attorney Barton.
Oh, I apologize, sir. If you, we have Miss Tori Antel, unless you wanted something, Attorney Griffin.
That's fine.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
Antel, are we ready to proceed?
We're ready on all of them, Judge.
Yes, we're ready on everything.
Okay, wonderful. I have case number U602-05421. Counsel, state your appearance for the record, please.
May it please this honorable court, Darnell Barton, P83363, on behalf of Miss Tori Antel. Miss Antel, can you state your name only for the record, please?
Tori Antel.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, and good afternoon to both of you. How are we proceeding today? Is the date scheduled for trial?
Yes, that is correct, Your Honor. It is our understanding that the complaining witnesses are not here in court today. We would move for dismissal.
All right, thank you. This matter was scheduled for 1:30 p.m. It is now 2:18 p.m. I'm satisfied that I've given the officers ample time to appear. I am granting your motion and I'm dismissing the matter without prejudice. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, who do we have up next?
Next, Your Honor, we can go to Mr. Looks like Mr. Tariq. I want to pronounce his name, Abdul Malik.
Yep.
Am I saying your name correctly? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Tariq Abdul Malik. Abdul Malik.
Malik.
All right, thank you. I have the following. Abdul Malik. Oh, okay. You didn't give me that file. Okay, wonderful. Thank you. I was getting my stamp together. All right, I have the following matters for Mr. Abdul Malik. I have case numbers SP 107-4580, counts 1, 2, and 3. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Tariq Abdul Malik.
Okay, thank you. All right, counsel, how are we proceeding?
Yes, Your Honor, today's the date set and time for trial. We are going to move for dismissal because the complaining witnesses failed to appear.
All right, thank you, counsel. I'm satisfied. I've given the issuing officer ample time to appear for the 1:30 trial. I'm dismissing all 3 of the matters without prejudice. Thank you, sir. You'll get your
Thank you, Your
paperwork
Honor.
in the mail. All
Thank you,
right,
Your
you
Honor.
too. All right,
Thank you,
who do
Your
we have
Honor.
up next?
We have Mr. Karar Albasari. Mr. Karar Albasari, come in the camera. Go ahead and get stable and unmute yourself.
All right, thank you. I have the following matters, SP 112-3094, counts 1 and 2, and case number SP 112-3, strike that, SP 112-31301. Sir, please state your name for the record. Mr. Albasari, please state your name.
Karar Albasari.
All right, thank you. Counsel, today is the date scheduled for trial. How are we proceeding? Do I have a
Yes,
file?
Your Honor. We're going to move for dismissal for the complaining witnesses failing to appear.
All right, no problem. All right. I'm satisfied that I have given the issuing officers ample time to appear. This matter, all of these matters were scheduled for 1:30 p.m. It is now 2:21. I'm granting the motion and dismissing all of the matters without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
All right, who do we have up next?
Dante Allen, Your Honor.
All right, very good. I have the following for Dante Allen, case number SP 117-53721. Mr. Allen, state your full name, please.
Dante DeJuan Allen.
All right, thank you, sir, for your patience today. Your matter is scheduled for trial. Counsel, how are we proceeding?
Your Honor, today, you're correct. The date and time is set for trial. The officer has appeared. The officer is in the courtroom now, Officer Lord. It's my understanding that I was speaking with the prosecutor and the police officer that the prosecutor is recommending a dismiss for no recollection. And he's also indicating that there's been a police report made for identity theft.
All right, very good. I am going to dismiss the matter without prejudice. Thank you, sir, for your patience. Your matter is dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, officer.
I have one last matter other than the one where, Mr. Rosenthal, have you gone in the breakout room with the attorney?
Yes, I have, Your Honor. And also I'd like to put on the record, Matthew Rosenthal, P 84807. I did subpoena 4 officers separately from the court, just to, annotate that, they received 2 subpoenas, Your Honor, the ones that did not show.
Okay, all right, thank you. Let's see, we are going back to retained counsel's matter. All right, are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, we are.
Wonderful, and I still have that file, yes. I have case number SP 115-41251. Counsel, your appearance again for the record?
Scott Smith appearing on behalf of Mr. Al-Riyashi, and he is present in my office immediately to my left.
And counsel, I should indicate I had counts 1, 2, and 3, as well as SP 115-41261. All right, Mr. Ariyashi, state your full name again for the record.
Abraham Al-Riyashi.
All right, how are we proceeding?
At this point, Your Honor, after we discussed this with Mr. Rosenthal, I'm moving for dismissal of all counts.
All right, anything from the people on this?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
We have nothing further.
All right, thank you. I am going to grant the motion and all of the matters are dismissed without prejudice. Thank you all for your patience.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. All right, I have one last matter on my docket, scheduled for trial, last name Ambrose. Where is Ambrose?
Do not have any information about Ambrose, Your Honor. I do not.
All right, let me call it. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna call it and then we're done.
We waive our client's presence.
All right.
No.
I have the following matter for Daquan Ambrose. Case number SP 109-27551, case number 217-23234, counts 1 and 2. Today, Mr. Ambrose was scheduled for trial, scheduled at 1:30. It is now 2:26 p.m. I'm satisfied that I've given him ample time to appear. And so for the people, your motion.
Yes, Your Honor.
Uh-oh, we have
We'll make a
bad
motion
connection.
to, issue a KPS, a warrant. Oh, can you hear me, Your Honor?
I can now. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Yes, Your Honor. Matthew Rosenthal for the people, P84807. We make a motion, Your Honor, to issue a KPS out for Mr. Ambrose. Today's the date and time of trial, and he did not show up. He had ample time to do so, and we ask this honorable court to issue the warrant.
All right, thank you. And I am going to grant your request. I am going to, because he was scheduled for trial, ample time to appear, he's gone through the process. I am going to issue a KPS. I'm setting the bond at $100 cash. That's going to be for all of the matters that are before the court. And so hopefully Mr. Ambrose will join us. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And that ends the docket. Unless there's something else
Your Honor.
that you all have for me.
No, I believe that's all, Your Honor.
All right, very good. I took a chance and it worked out well this time. Notice I said this time.
Took a chance.
All right. All right, thank you all. As you know,